What if I tell you your brain lies to you every single day, and you believe it without questioning? Sounds scary, right? But the truth is, your brain isn't designed to show you reality. It's designed to keep you comfortable, not correct. And once you understand how your brain lies to you, you'll never see life the same way again. Let's start with something simple. Right now, you can see your nose, but you don't notice it. Your nose is always in your vision, yet your brain completely ignores it. Why? Because your brain deletes information that it thinks is unnecessary. Same thing happens with the feeling of your clothes, background noise. Smells in your room, your brain is constantly asking, is this important for survival? If not, delete. Your brain isn't broken, it's just lazy. Here's something crazier. Your memories are not recordings, they're reconstructions. Every time you remember something, your brain rewrites it. That's why two people remember the same event differently. You're 100% sure you're right, and still wrong. Confidence doesn't mean accuracy. It just means your brain is convinced. That argument you won in your head, your brain edited the highlights. Your brain loves comfort more than truth. That's why you believe good-feeling lies, you avoid uncomfortable facts. You procrastinate, even when you know better. Your brain works on dopamine. Instant pleasure beats long-term success. That's why scrolling feels better than studying. Notifications feel addictive. I'll do it tomorrow. Feels safe. Your brain isn't stupid. It's just addicted. Ever noticed how you unlock your phone without even thinking? That's not habit. That's conditioning. Every notification gives your brain a tiny dopamine reward. Same system as gambling, junk food, video games. Your attention is not weak. It's hijacked. You're not addicted to your phone. Your brain is addicted to rewards. Here's a fun one. Talking to yourself doesn't mean you're crazy. It means your brain is trying to think better. When you speak out loud, your focus increases, your decisions improve, your brain processes faster. That's why athletes do it. That's why kids do it. Your brain likes expert advice, even if that expert is you. Now the important part. You can't fight your brain with willpower. You fight it with environment. Simple tricks. Remove distractions instead of resisting them. Change location to change habits. Use silence to control conversations. Speak goals out loud. Don't try to control your brain. Design around it. So yes, your brain lies to you every day, but not to hurt you, to protect you. Your brain isn't your enemy. It's just outdated software running modern problems. Once you understand your brain, you stop blaming yourself, and you start winning. If this video messed with your brain, subscribe for more psychology you'll actually enjoy.